All right, cool. Yo, what's up? What's up? All right. What's up? What's up, man? I'm sending this link out and stuff to everybody. Where's this other group? And let me check on Facebook. Make sure we live on Facebook. All right, cool. And I'm also going to show y'all this indicator. What's up, y'all? I'm just giving everybody a minute to go ahead and get started. As y'all can see from the title, I'm going to be going over the profits and stuff that I made this week trading. Just waiting on everybody to get in. Then I'm also going to be showing y'all this indicator as well, man. If you're a trader, then you definitely need this tool. Oh, yeah. All right, cool. Some of these trades. All right, I'll be ready to get started in about 3 more minutes, y'all. All right, cool. So we're going to be getting started in about 2 more minutes. And let me go ahead and show y'all these profits that I made this week, man. So as y'all can see, man, I made over $4,000 in profit this week using this indicator. Been a straight beast, man. We up since the month 16,000. And as y'all can see, man, this is Ty's PAMM. This is my PAMM account. It's also a live account with envifx, as you can see for the broker name. So let me change these dates. But I'm just about to show y'all how this indicator can help you if you're a trader. So just starting out, we can get started with this, or like this Euro USD buy opportunity, right? So whenever I'm using this indicator, let me show y'all. So whenever I'm using this indicator, right, typically what I do is, okay, cool. So typically what I do is I'm more of a scalper. So what I try to do is I try to get in and out the markets quick, right? I do typically hold my trades a little longer. Sometimes I hold them anywhere from like 1 to 2 days, but sometimes I be in and out depending on how volatile the market is. So with this indicator, what I do is I counter trend trade the indicator. So like whenever I get a buy opportunity, I sell it. As y'all can see, we got this big candle right here. Right whenever the buy opportunity presented itself. And on this candle right here, let's just see how many pips this was. Just on that one candle, it shot down 45 pips. And as y'all can see from my profit, I exited the trade whenever it started back trying to push up. And then not only did I do it right here, but I also did it again right here. Whenever we got another buy opportunity, you see that the market went down. Now, as you can see in situations like this, because you don't have to counter trend this indicator like how I do it, because you can see once it gave the buy opportunity, of course, it went down a little bit, but until it eventually did buy up. And then the indicator would have told you to close the buy right here. You know, just like in this situation right here, it told you buy, market went down, but then eventually it did go up. We haven't got the close buy alert yet for this trade because we're still in this trade, but that's one of the prime reasons on why I counter trend with it. So whenever it says buy, I just sell it and go the opposite direction, get my 50 pips, and then I get out. And if you've been watching my stories and things of that nature, then you'll see since January, I've made over $91,000 in profit just all from using this indicator. So I'm telling you the strategy works. So just like another situation like this one, you got the buy opportunity. You could have sold it on Euro USD. And this is another reason why I only use high time frames. I only use anywhere from 1 hour and above. So if I'm trading, I'm going to be, as you can see, my alerts over here as well. It's the 4 hour charts, 2 hour charts, 1 hour chart. I don't use the smaller time frames. But just like with this one, it said buy. As you can see, market pushed down. I would have got my pips. And then eventually the market did trend up and you would have won this trade and profit if you're following the indicator. All right, somebody getting in late. Just like another situation like this, it told you to sell, which is probably one of the ones that I was showing you on my profit. But whenever it said sell, I would have bought it, got my pips, got out. And as you can see that the market did, it did follow the right direction as what the indicator has said. And this is just on Euro USD, just like right here, for instance. It said sell, I would have bought it. Market pushed up. I got my pips. I would have exited, guys. It's very, very easy to use, as you can see. So even if you're new to trading, brand new to trading, this indicator tells you when to sell, when to buy. You also get alerts like this, like it would have told you sell. If you would have been following the indicator, you could have held it, and then you would have got an alert right here that says close sale. So, and you would have won that one in profit as well. That would have been, let's see, that would have been 103 pips. So, and like I said, just on this time frame, it's 69.31% accurate, guys. You know, so this tool, you know, is a great tool, especially if you're a trader. Another example, like this one, indicator said buy. I would have sold it, got my pips right here, been out this trade, and as you can see, the market did trend up, and then you got your close buy alert, and you would have been out of this trade as well. So this indicator is highly recommended by me. Like I said, the results speak for themselves. Since January, I've made over 91,000. So in very little time, like I said, since January. So this is my PAMM account that I'm operating. So, and as you can see, first week of May, I'm already up 8.71%, might as well say 9%. And I range anywhere from 20 to 30% monthly. And that's even with some losses, because in March, if you follow my YouTube channel, because I'm also live on YouTube right now as well, you will see that I did actually take a loss in March, but I was able to recover that and come back. And then in February, we just had an amazing month in February. That was like right after the holidays and everything, man. We did 200%. So that's amazing. Another thing that you also will get With this indicator, if you purchase the indicator, you'll also be able to get this withdraw your way to 100K sheet. And with this, you can actually come in right here. You can actually come in right here and enter in your account balance, and it will tell you what lot sizes to run. Will it tell you what your daily goal is going off 4 trading days? So really you only need just 4 alerts from this indicator for the whole week, because each trade, if you're doing a 0.05, is telling you that you should make 62.50 going for 125 pips. And as y'all can see from my trades, you're going to get way more than 4 alerts in a week. So you would start out with 500. You get your daily goal is 62.50. Your end of week balance should be $750, and then you would withdraw $75 from your trading account. So you're not actually just trading to you're actually trading to withdraw, not just trading to trade, right? Because that's the problem with most traders. What they'll tell you whenever you do talk to a trader, they'll be like, yeah, man, you know, I've took my accounts from 500 to 10,000, and then I lost it all because they wasn't withdrawing. They didn't really have like a actual trading plan. But with this right here, this will be another tool that comes with the indicator that will actually be able to help you be successful. It'll actually be able to help you withdraw. And like I tell a lot of people too as well, don't really go off of the weekly part. I tell a lot of my students to change this to steps, so that way you're not really putting the time on yourself and feeling bad about it if you don't meet your goals, or if you have to end up holding the trade longer or anything like that. So, but if you look just after 10 weeks, you know, your withdrawals will add up to where this type of income can replace your job. You know, I'm a full-time day trader. This is all I do. Like I said, since January, I've made over 91,000 just using this indicator. And like I said, I mean, if you follow me on social media, I'm pretty sure that you see the results and stuff that I've been posting as well, withdrawals and everything. But yeah, like I said, man, I can show y'all some other pairs as well. Let's go to some that we was getting earlier in this week. All right, so here's another one. AUD CAD. Same thing. This one said buy. It gave me the buy alert. I sold it. We made profit on this one. Exit the market. I'm not even trading AUD CAD right now. Same thing right here. It says sell. You see it bought. We got out the market. It says sell. We bought. Got right out the market, guys. It's very simple whenever you're using the counter trend strategy that I use. And like I said, it's been working very solid for me. Only trying to get 50 pips out the market. Some of my students, they say that they have been going for 100 pips and have been successful with it. But for me, I just stick to what has been working. I only go for 50 pips. Just like right here is another alert. It was a buy, so I sold it. As you can see, market pushed down. But if you keep looking over here, eventually it did push back up. So, like I said, you can follow this indicator. I also have this indicator as a bot as well. I'm still testing it. I don't plan on releasing the EA until about July. And I've seen someone ask, well, let me make sure ain't nobody is saying nothing. So you're basically doing the opposite of the alert. Yes, correct. But I'm only doing it for 50 pips. I'm only doing it for 50 pips. So and it only works on higher time frames, guys. Like I said, this is what works for me, because if you're kind of an experienced trader, then you know with indicators how they kind of lag. They pretty much alert you alert you after the move. But let me show you like on a 5-minute time frame, right? So if you're using this indicator on a 5-minute time frame, you're going to get way more alerts. And me personally, I don't use it on these small time frames because as you can see down here, this indicator also tells you how accurate it is going all the way back to a year. Just like right now, it's telling you on the 5-minute time chart for AUD CAD, it's 72% accurate, and it's going all the way back let's look at the list of trades. This indicator is going all the way back to the beginning of this year on the 5-minute time chart. And since the beginning of January, it's telling you that on the 5-minute chart, it's been almost 73% accurate. And these are a lot shorter trades. So just like right here, you see you're going to be real in and out. Like right here, it said buy, close, buy. I told you sell right here, close the sell. You're going to be a lot more active on your phone. Just like right here, told you sell, close the sell, and profit. Told you sell right there, close the sell, buy. You would have closed the buy. You're just going to be on your phone a lot more. So that's another reason why I stay away from the lower time frames, because just from right here, you would have been in this trade. Let's just see. Well, that trade would have lasted about 6 hours, but it told you sell, and then you would have got out the sell right here. And then let me see how many pips that would have been. That would only have been an 8-pip move. So like I said, I just stay away from the smaller time frames, and I only focus on the large time frames. Because with the larger time frames, like I said, the moves be a lot bigger. All right. And also too, just from back testing, just like here's another example right here. Like how this one has said sell, but it did buy up some. Let's see how many pips it bought up. See, that was a 33 pip move. So that right there would have been a 33 pip move. You could have got in and on the buy and got out, or if you would have held it a little bit longer, you could have got your full 50 over here. But me personally, whenever it would have started struggling, it reached that 50, I would have went ahead and had closed it out and profit. Because like I said, this indicator is still 73% accurate, so you have to respect that as well. I also offer, like I said, this indicator. With the indicator, you're going to get the indicator. You're going to get a course. I actually have a course that teaches you how to use this as well. You're going to get to withdraw your way to 100K sheet as well. And that's if you want to be able to do this on your own. Whenever I release that, that's going to be $349. You're going to get this indicator. You're going to get the course and the bot for $349 a month. And then I also offer one-on-one mentorship. And with the mentorship, I will actually trade with you one-on-one for an entire month. So you actually have my phone number. I actually text you every time I take a trade, making sure that you know how to use MetaTrader 4, knowing that you making sure that you are counting your pips right. Basically, like I said, a complete mentorship. And I work with you hands-on 30 days straight, but the price for that is $3,000. So if you're interested in becoming one of my students, and it's limited, because like I said, I'm going to give you basically an hour of me every single day for a month. So I only take on about 3 students a month. I already have 2. So I have space for one more student right now for the mentorship, if that's something that you're interested in. And if you're not interested at all in trading this on your own, I also have a PAMM account. With the PAMM account is basically what I'm showing here. Let me stop the share. So basically what this PAMM account is, it's a pool of investors. If the minimum to join right now is 1,500. So if you wanted to join the PAMM, what you would do is you would make your deposit into the PAMM account. I would be trading it for you, and then it's a 50-50 profit split. So so for example, this week, let's just, well, we don't really have to say, let's say, so I did 10%, right? Right now, my total balance is about 62,000. So if you put in $1,500, which is the bare minimum, this week your account would have made $150, right? And then after the profit split, you would have been able to profit 75, and then 75 would have came to me for trading it for you. Now, if you don't want to pay any profit split, like I said, I suggest to get the indicator, do the course. And if you're still struggling with it, you can reach out to me for mentorship, and I can basically turn you into a successful trader like myself. Let's just see. So like for the month, I'm up 16,000 from using this indicator as well. And then, like I said, I can take it all the way back to the beginning of this year, since January. So since January the 1st of this year, you can see I'm up 37,000 on this account. And then there's also another account that I run. And on this one, we're going to go to January the 1st. And on this one, I'm up 54,000, just all from using the indicator. So, I mean, the proof's right there. This PAMM account balance, as you can see, man, we had a total deposits of 106,000. Let me move this out of the way for the ones on Facebook. You can see so far, we had a total deposits of 106,000. We had withdrew 55,000 total, and we had $54,000 in profit, all from using this indicator. So it's no secret, or it's no bluff. This indicator does work. I'm showing you live accounts. So if you're interested, I'll put the link to purchase in the comment section. So do anybody have any questions? If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask. Let me check Facebook. All right, so somebody asked how much to drop and how to set up an account. If you wanted it, well, are you trying to get started with the PAMM account, or are you actually trying to get started with using the indicator? Because if you're trying to use the indicator, I would recommend just starting out with like $500 in your account until you get comfortable and start trading a lot. But if you're asking about joining the PAMM, the minimum to join my PAMM is $1,500. And I have a video and instructions that I can send you on how to get started and get everything going. All right. Then on Zoom, somebody else. So basically, you're doing the opposite of the alert. Yes. That's all I do. It's no secret, man. The alerts come straight to your phone. It ain't like you have to be on these charts at all. Like, I'm never looking at a chart, like for real. I'm just sitting back, waiting on alerts, and that's it. All right. So you're more than likely to see profit with the indicator than the PAMM. You will see more profit because there's no profit split if you're using the indicator on yourself. Like I said, if hold on, the people on Zoom said they can't see nothing no more. I forgot. All right, yeah, my bad about that, y'all. I forgot. But yeah, you will see more profit from using the indicator because there's no profit split. So you'll be keeping 100% of your profit. Now, you will have to make your own trades. You will have to get these alerts. Me, I'm used to trading. So, whenever alerts come through at like 2 in the morning, sometime I'll be woke. I can catch them. I know how to count my pips up quickly. I get people in and out the market. So it just depends on if you want this to be fully automated or if you're willing to put in that work and, do it yourself. All right. Can you use smaller accounts with this indicator? All right, great question. So yes, you can use smaller accounts with this indicator. I highly suggest at least starting with at least like 500. That would be like, like bare minimum. You can do less, but I suggest to do at least 500. Give you some wiggle room. All right. We have any more questions? All right. So someone asked, is the alert for TradingView? Yes. Yes, the alerts, they come via TradingView. And whenever they come, they come directly to your phone, and I can show you. I can show you as well. I can show y'all how the alerts will actually look. And I just put the link to purchase. I just put it in the comment section. So the ones on Facebook, it should be showing on Facebook in my comments too, and of course on YouTube it's showing. And then I'm about to do this on Zoom as well. I just posted the alert to be able to. I said alert. I just posted the. I just posted the link to get the indicator. And whenever you receive these alerts to your phone, I'm about to pull one up, and then I'm gonna share my screen because you will need to download the TradingView app, so that way you will get alerted on your app as well. So let me share my screen. All right. Now I go to Zoom so y'all can see it. All right, cool. So whenever these alerts come to your phone, it'll pop up like I said, like you can see this one came in at 4 a.m. So, and I was woke, of course, because like I said, you can see on the PAMM, man. And then, you know, I have a whole little setup what I do so I don't miss a lot of these alerts. But the alert will come through. It'll say Euro GBP alert was triggered, sell opportunity 2. And then from there, you know, I'll jump in, I hit buy, and then you'll also get alerts whenever it tells you to close it as well. See, like how this one came through at 8:31 a.m. It was saying that that you had got the close sale alert. So everything will come directly to your phone. All right. All right, let's stop. Okay. Please note that every alert you get will not be an alert. Yes, I just thank you, Courtney. But yeah, every alert that you get, as I was showing y'all, whenever I was sharing the screen, because you're gonna get an alert to enter the trade, to exit the trade. Anytime the cash cow indicator has any type of activity, it's gonna alert you on your phone. So the ones that you want to pay attention to are the ones that say sell opportunity or buy opportunity. Those are the two that you want to take action on. Can I do both the PAMM and the indicator? Yes, you can. Yeah. I have some people in my PAMM as well. They're actually practicing with the indicator, you know, so that way they can earn as they learn, so to say. But yeah, you can do both. All right. All right. And I can't post this comment, but it said, can someone who has basic trading knowledge, such as just placing trades, use this? Absolutely. All right. I have one of my students that I'm training right now. They have just basic knowledge. They just knew how to basically just how to place a trade. And for the first few days, I was teaching my student how to count pips. Basically, and that's for the most part what we was really stuck on the longest. But now he's not even getting on the hour Zoom calls with me daily now, and this is his second week because he pretty much got it. So every time I get an alert, I text him. I say, "Hey, did you get this trade? Did you take it?" And you know, he confirmed that he took it. And you know, we just confirm and make sure that our profits match up as far as percentage wise on his account, because he has $1,000 account and he's up already. Today, I think he was up about 130, like $130. So he up about 13%, which is kind of matching with my PAMM. As I showed y'all, I was up 8%. So or almost 9%. So so it's matching up correctly. That's another thing that I do in the mentorship as well. Like I said, the mentorship, if you're very new to trading and you don't want to go through the hassle of having to lose money and pay somebody and go through all these crash courses and do everything, and you just want to sit down with somebody for an entire month, that Monday through Friday, because the market is only open Monday through Friday, an hour a day, someone who's going to take their time with you, make sure that you know how to operate MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, whichever platform it is that you want to get trained on, teach you how to use this indicator, make sure that you're doing it the correct way, and basically just be hands-on with you. I highly, highly recommend doing the one-on-one mentorship. Like I said, it's $3K. I only take about 3 students a month. Because like I said, that's 3 hours. I don't really want to be on my computer for no 10 hours, 10 hours a day trying to teach 10 students. So, I got room for one, but I'm going to check with my other student. Like I said, he's no longer getting on now because he pretty much already got it. So I'm going to check with him and make sure he no longer needs me, except for just to confirm trades at this point and making sure that, he got his alerts and stuff set up correctly. But I may have 2 spots coming available. All right. Is it a monthly fee for the indicator? Yes, it is. It's the indicator is $149 a month. So yeah, I mean, it's just a monthly subscription, which is very affordable. Like I said, man, since January, I'm up like 91,000. So I feel like 149 is very, very affordable. And like I said, my student, he got a $1,000 account. And in 2 weeks, he already up 130. So he almost is pretty much paying for himself at this point. Thank you. Oh, yeah, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. So do we have any other questions? Got about 9 more minutes before I get off. But I highly, highly suggest it, man. If you're a trader, you really need to put this tool in your toolbox. If you're using other indicators, you need to line them up with this one. Like I'm telling you, I mean, speak for itself. The results speak for themselves. I showed y'all the numbers. I showed y'all the profits. Since January, man, you can't beat that, man. 91,000, man. None of my investors are mad. They putting more money in. They loving it. All right, so you can basically pay for the monthly subscription with this. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Now, if you got, if you have, I would say at least $1,000 in your account, because like I said, on average, I only average anywhere from 20 to 30%, depending on what lot size you're running. So if you put $1,000 in there, on the low end, you may make anywhere from $200 to $300 a month, depending on your lot size and things of that nature, and how you're trading, how many pips you're going for. So a lot of that depends on it as well. But you should make anywhere from 200 to 300. Of course, we can't guarantee anything. Past performance isn't indicative of the future results. This is still trading. But yeah, I mean, my retention rates is pretty high. I mean, it's staying good. Now a lot of people ain't leaving once they start using this tool, and then they seeing how accurate it is, how you don't even have to be on your phone. You don't even have to know what support and resistance is. Like, you don't have to know what a trend line is. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. You just got to wait on your phone to go off, sell opportunity, buy opportunity, go to MetaTrader 4, type it in, get in the trade, go to your calculator, calculate your 50 pips, set your take profit, and then put the phone back down. And then shoot, just wait. It's really that simple, man. It's really that simple. Line them up. Yeah, man. Let's see. You get most alerts during graveyard shift. No. They pretty much come all during the day. Like you get some during because London session is at 3 a.m. So that alert that came in at 4 a.m, it was Euro GBP, which is a London pair. You see what I'm saying? So that's why that alert came in. But I mean, if you were sleeping, you missed it. Whenever New York session started at like 9:30, typically, you'll get some more alerts. About a week average, I normally get about 10 alerts, probably about 2 a day. you know, I could, but I'm on a higher time frame. I'm on higher time frames because I don't want to be putting in that many alerts. You know, I'm happy with what I'm making and the returns that I'm getting. Now that first month, whenever I did 200%, you know, I was on lower time frames and getting way more trades. That's why I did 200%. But now I'm cool with doing about 20 or 30. You know, drawdown don't be high. You know, we loving it. Probably gonna do about 40 or 50%. Because like I said, I'm already up 10 now. First week. You don't have to know it, but if you get the mentorship, this will be discussed. Oh, okay, yeah. If you're new to trading and you have questions and stuff, man, you can inbox me, myself, Ty Norris, or you can inbox Courtney Jones. That's also my business partner as well. She's helping with the mentorship as well, so she could be able to answer a lot of your questions as well. You don't have to know support and resistance, but the mentorship, it would be real. Oh yeah, of course, yeah. We go over all that in mentorship. All right, now let me check Zoom. Make sure we don't have no more questions in Zoom. All right, we got about 5 more minutes. Is it any more questions? Any more questions? All right, so if that's it, if there's no more questions, I assume that that's it. If you would like to get the indicator, I have the link posted in the description. I mean, not in the description, but in the comment. And after this video, I'm gonna put it in my description. So if you're watching this on Facebook, I will put the link in the description for this video once I end it. On YouTube, it's showing me that it posted on YouTube, so I know it's on YouTube. And then if you're on Zoom, I put it in the chat box. But if you came from Zoom, 9 times out of 10, you came from Telegram. So you can inbox me on Telegram if you need the link as well. But I posted it on Telegram. So, so if that's it, I'll see y'all next week. Show y'all the results again. And if you're in the PAMM, man, check your accounts, man. We're going up. All right, peace. All right.